I just got a bike check here today since I haven't done one in a while. And I just got new parts, so yeah. Grips, I got Colt Vans grips. They're really nice, I like them. I've had them since like the first week of December. And I didn't make an unboxing because I only got like grips and a peg, but yeah, I really like them. They're really comfortable and you can stretch them like they used to be right there, and I stretched them. One of these are stretched longer than the other ones because I kind of messed one of them up, but it's whatever. I really like them, really nice. Bar ends, got Odyssey bar ends in black. Really like them. It's my second pair, actually my third pair. My very first pair I had a long time ago and I sold them to my friend. Stem, I got a Sunday Freeze top load stem. It's really nice, held up good. Not really good top load stem. I mean, not much to say. It's just really good once you tighten the bolts like down like a lot. My fork is a BSD Ghetto fork. There's top cap. And yeah, it's the V3 version. And I don't know why my phone won't focus. There we go. I really like them. They look super clean and they're not ultra tapered, which I like. I don't know. I just like them looking all beefy. Like, as you can see, they're thicker. Peg. I have an Odyssey steel or metal peg, whatever you want to call it. I did order a stolen Thermalite peg for the front when my last order, as you guys saw, but it would not fit my it's called my axle. Like there just wasn't enough room for the nut or bolt to even grab on, so that kind of sucks, but it's whatever. I broke my old front wheel at the skate park a few weeks ago, and I broke it after I made this order. It kind of pissed me off because I would have just ordered a new wheel, but I already made one. So I got this off my friend. I traded him my old cranks for it. It's the same thing as my old wheel, as my old one. It's just like an older version. It's a Wienhams AC30, unsealed bearings, really shitty, don't get it. But yeah. Tire. Got Colt D-Hart tires, 2.20 in the front and the back. Really like them so far, super grippy. It looks slick. Can't talk. It looks sick. Just really like the gum. Oh, I forgot my handlebars. My handlebars are stock fit BF1 bars. Headset. Sorry, I'm jumping around. I got a Sunday Integrity headset. Spins good. Only thing I do really that is foot jam website like needs to be good, I guess you could say. Pretty sweet sticker there. Got that Zoomies kink sticker. No, this is not a kink frame. Got this frame, demolition sticker. Got this frame off of eBay for 40 bucks because I needed an upgrade because I wanted a mid-bottom bracket and integrated headset, and the guy had no idea what brand it was, so yeah. My Heart Movies bracelet, King Super Stomp Pedal C-post. It's whatever, it's just a C-post. I got a bone desk seat, leopard print, really like it. Soft, it's comfortable. Starting to rip a little, but holding up good. I like it. If you have this seat or you're thinking about getting it, do not get it wet or dirty. Long story short, some dumbass threw sand at my seat, so I went home to clean it, and it's just a pain in the ass. And then if like in the summer, or if you like ride in the rain, don't get it wet or ruin it. If you get it like super wet, or if you're in the summer, like whenever I come back from my friend's house and swimming, I wouldn't sit on my seat at all because I didn't want it to get wet. Pedals, Aussie Twisted PCs, really like them. Just, I don't know, not much to say. Good grip. My phone won't focus, don't know why. Cranks. You probably won't be able to see the logo. Sunday Saker cranks, they're 8 spline. Pretty good, held up nice. Yeah, things coming off, it's whatever. I got a Colt 410 chain, not the best chain, but I just got it because I needed a new one. Premium Narstar sprockets, like one of the very first upgrades I did in my bike. I really like it, it's strong. and not much to say. I mean, held up nice. Bottom bracket, I don't know. It's alright, it's not the best, but it's okay. And tire, same one in the front, Colt D-Hart tire, 2.20. Back rim, I have an Odyssey Quadrant rim, laced to a Demolition. You can see the logo right there. Demolition Rogue hub. I really like it. I mean, the hub was cheap. It's sealed bearings, and I just really like it. It sounds good. Got Sapum spokes. My wheel kit, well, like, it was untrue. Like, after a few weeks of riding it, once it got built up, that happens. You need to reach your wheel. It's pretty normal. And I took it to the bike shop, my local bike shop, and they're dumbasses, and they didn't true it. I told them to true it, and all they did was loosen all the spokes. And the nipples were so loose, I could spin them with my fingers. It was horrible, and that really pissed me off. So I just watched a video on YouTube, and I somewhat trued it, so now my tire doesn't rub. I was pretty psyched about that. Backpack. Let me put my bike upside down. My backpack is a Stolen Thermalite. I really like it. Plastic, obviously. Slides super good. As you can see, I'll flatten that part out, so I rotated it. Really like it. Super slick, and I like it because it's quiet, because I grind on ledges, and I like it to be quiet so people don't hear me. And yeah, and it's $10, it's cheap. Demolition hub guard. Yeah, I don't really. It's metal. I really like it. Saved my hub, obviously. Kind of see the Demolition logo right there. Well, that's where it used to be. Shoelace on there to keep that clean. Bike chest getting super long, so I'm gonna do a hub sound. Got red dice made by Trick Tops, so we're gonna get a hub sound. So that's about it. I really like my setup. Looks nice, feels nice. So yeah, not much to say. I would do a drop test, but this video is getting super long. So yeah, please rate, comment, subscribe, and see you guys next video.